Right, so yeah, hi everybody. My name's Ian Brooks. I'm a technical fellow for additive manufacturing at the AMRC. So this slide is progress so far. As you can see here, so the y-axis is, in this case, our response variable, which for this data was our minimum value of something. Doesn't really matter what. So it was a series of trials really on a complex function with 5 factors, and the x-axis there has the number of experiments across the bottom, and the coloured cubes there represent various different DOE methodologies, and as you can see, there's no real standout there. They're all kind of on a par with each other. The optimum here being the bottom left corner, but as you can see from Alchemite shows significant promise there, being able to converge on this optimum solution, whatever that is, with a far less number of experiments. So really good to see that we're on the right path with this project and this technology.